Tired of printing, signing, and scanning documents? DocuSign is your answer, and today we're unlocking its secrets. First, head to DocuSign.com and sign up for an account. You can choose a free trial or a paid plan. Depending on your needs, click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your first name, last name, email address, job title, and company name. Create a secure password and click Continue. Great, you're in. This is your dashboard. To send a document for signing, click the Start button, which is usually big and prominent. Now, upload your document. You can drag and drop files directly into the DocuSign window, or browse your computer to select them. DocuSign supports various file types, like PDFs and Word documents. Next, at recipients, enter their names and email addresses. DocuSign will guide you to place signature, initial, date, and text fields on the document. Simply drag and drop them where needed. Before sending, review your document carefully. Add a customized message to the email that your recipient will receive. You can also set reminders and expiration dates. Once you hit send, DocuSign takes care of the rest. Recipients receive an email with a link to sign electronically, and that's it. You've successfully used DocuSign to send a document for signature. Explore its advanced features for even greater efficiency.